What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. You park your car east because overnight, you know, if it's snow or you got ice and you know the sun rises in the east, so when the sun rises, it'll be melting the snow or the ice off your windshield and you like, alright, cool. I haven't done this personally, but I've seen people do it, and that's plastic bags on the side mirror. So it's a quick, easy car hack during the winter time. So if it's snowing or ice and you just trying to hurry up and get into the car and go to the grocery store or go to work, you can just rip the plastic bag right off the mirrors and boom, there you go. You can see out your side mirrors and you're not looking like, yo, god darn it, shoot, I should have scraped the ice off. Yeah, when I had my Dodge Neon, my Hyundai Sonata, and I was trying to get in the car to get some stuff out of it, and I was like, oh shoot, put the key in the door, and the locking mechanism froze, and I was like, oh shoot. I realized I put some hand sanitizer on the key and stick it into the door, and the hand sanitizer melted the ice inside, so it allowed me to get in. And I was like, okay, cool. This is for cars who still have key, not keyless entries. I know some cars still have the key if you get the base model car, but if you got a keyless entry, yeah, you just press the button and get right in the car. Boom. The next run up for car hacks is get a baggie and put some warm water in it and rub it on your windshield. The next car hack is get up really early, hop in the car, crank your heat up, and boom. Let the car defrost itself, and then, but if you're enjoying this video, go to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of ArtOfSpeedd fam, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.